Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the language switcher icon from the taskbar on Windows 11. So if you want to remove the switcher icon, I'm going to show you guys how to remove it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. Select the time and language option on the left side, and then select typing over on the right. You want to select the advanced keyboard setting button, and then underneath switching input methods, if it's currently checkmarked to use the desktop language bar when it's available, go ahead and uncheck that option. If you had multiple options or multiple keyboards installed down in your system tray or taskbar, you would see them down here. And if you uncheck that option, that should not be visible anymore. That icon should be gone. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.